Just look at this piece right here, y'all.
Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I got this good and in the song. Alright.
Kombucha, and today we got the pineapple peach, and when it's cold it's the best. Bussin'. Spinach. Just look at this piece right here, y'all. And I tell you, this straight hot. Thanks for making dinner with me, and I'm gonna see y'all next time.